So I would like to thank Accredian for providing us such a wonderful experience. The program that they have come up, the cohort which had mix of functional, non-functional, means technical, non-technical people. I being functional person got chance to visit IIT Guwahati, wherein it was one of the life-changing experience, witnessing right starting from the hostel to the faculties, to the lectures that we had, to the activities that we did. It brought us together. We created friends, not the professionals or the colleagues out here. We created friends out here, and we learned many what we call different areas of you can say use cases in our experience which we had with the faculties, and it was really a life-changing experience for me, I would say, and all the very best to Accredian for offering such all programs. Thank you so much.